Beautiful people, it's me, Pamela, on my YouTube. Cho, no, what's the T? Siyahlaziya. Guys, let's just unpack la nazi indaba leti has been going on of a 7-year-old owadlengula ngapha eMatatele esikoleni. Principal tried to cover everything, but he manje AfriForum nabantu nje in general on social media banhlanyela bathi wena yeyi ungasihlanyisi, please ungasihlanyisi. Abafuni manje brothers ukuthatha i-DNA bonke abantu ababesesikoleni when the child was left by the transport bayithathile i-DNA wena awufuni. Ubani wena? Yibo abantu bathi ubani? How it even happened was the mother of the child, cabanga, both of them, the parents are police officers, the subs employees. Njani guys? Like uyibuza ukuthi sometimes kanti justice into enjani? Oh, people are so angry. They like lalela akubusho kwasani iyayilapho on the day when the child was left at school by the transport to a point where isikole manje sesivele sa register by Department of Education is like lalela we want answers. Akekho umuntu ongayihlanyeli le case le on social media. They like hayibo, all we want is just justice for lo mntwana una-7. Umntwana una-7 yini into ayaziyo guys ukuthi angaze wenziwe kanje enza grade 1 ingane. And to a point where I was listening to Satu yesterday, a spokesperson talking ukuthi ingane isesikoleni ayisasesikoleni and icabanga leyo case i-case ka-October namanje kakasolva. It's the same as the other one of another guy ngapha, a 20-year-old that unalived themselves ngenxa yokuthi wayihlukunyezwa esikoleni, and encwadini ayishiyayo ubhalile bonke othisha abamhlukumezayo, but the sister is like, you know ukuthi asibuthola ubulungiswa, and ikhona amanye ama-relative ethu who are still in the same school. Into ya-October before exams phela lapho kusho isingane nje babeyitshela ngendlela engeke izibe yilutho ngakhona. Kusasekhona othisha abasenza lezo zinto ku-2025. People are not serious, right? Like what makes you think you're gonna get away with that wenza i-20-year-old things like that? Wayibulala ingane, cabanga guys ebuhlungu kanje. The sister was talking to media on the weekend. Esho nje ukuthi, you know what, to this day asikakabutholi ubulungiswa basasenayo incwadi. And how she was speaking, she's like, fanele bakhishwa abantu abayenza lento le. I'm like, but bakhona ngithi encwadini. Why besafundisa labo bantu? Why are they still in the same school? Bazokusho nini? Or some justice of some sort ke. I guess mhlambe as such, but there hasn't been any justice. And then she's like, Department of Education kanti yenzani? Naleso story sibuhlungu khona lalo mfana, he was 20 actually at the time of his passing. Ubhalile lapho ukuthi yazi ngicela nje abantu bangeze emncwabeni wami. The whole school cabanga othisha bangalibeki kowami uncwaba. Angithi i-pretense vele. Those are the same people abebemhlukumeza. Ngicela please ingane zesikole singeze emncwabeni wami. I'm also asking ukuthi ningadele umntanami noma umntanami bese ningani brothers. Cela ningadele umntanami. Guys lalela, awunayo right. We all have right to education. Lento leyo ukuthi ingane efanele zenziwe izinto esikoleni sihlezi sisaba sithukile as parents ukuthi oh my gosh ngabe kuzokwenzakalani kumntanami esikoleni benza izinto einganeni. Those are crazy things and they need to be looked at. I-AfriForum ke is not even playing. I think even nale case abona njobe siphumile ku TV, they're going to make it. This is why nami ngikhuluma ngayo. Fanele ibe viral. Abantu basizakale. Ingane nje no-7 nakekho umuntu ongayisupport. Everyone is supporting this child. Ama parents they are helpless kodwa basebenza SAPS is like thina kanti emhlabeni sokuthola nini ubulungiswa. Ku principal, and I think what's going on now is because principal treated the story in another way. Ukuyibona leyo nto in a certain way engekho right, and then people are like, hayi wena ungalebi ujwayele kapi uzoyenza leyo DNA, and manje you know what's gonna end up happening. Ukuba nalezi zinto manje they end up happening oma mob justice, lezi zinto lezi ezingafuneki futhi bazo end up abemkhahlela. Uyabona ukuthi manje futhi it's not nice anymore. Kanti ngabe uyavela uyothatha i-DNA, who are you when? Or should I say, who do you think you are? Ungafuni wena ukuyothatha i-DNA, the whole school isabantu ngoba kuthiwa the janitor i-cleaner la general cleaner yasesikoleni iyayisele ithatha i-DNA, bathathile abanye futhi abade bekhona esikoleni akafuni ubrothers, and he was there I-spokesperson saseSATU was like, asithi uyena. Abathi mina ngithi uyena. Hayi, hawu. Bese singaphela abantu who think they are above the law. And ngathi i-private school lesi sikole in. Hayibo, I'm just like, asivalwe isikole. Njengoba besilo, singathi siyavalwa isikole. Indlela abebeke ngayo, they were like, isikole must just remain closed. And the way akhohlakele ngakhona principal to a point where he even wrote a letter, which iSATU was saying, that's not allowed. You can't do that. Abantu mese befeel ukuthi ba-uncomfortable. Abayeke esikoleni. Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. When you can't tell them after kwenzeka into incident. And at the back of his mind, I think ukuthi ngobe matati yale Eastern Cape kusemafamu, I can do whatever I want. Bakhona banjalo. Like another story I did in 2023. Sigathisha futhi nakhona. Who thought they could actually get away with whatever they were doing to our children at school because kusemafamu kusemakhaya izokhuluma ingane noma ungayinika usweet ulubule unika izinto buying them, they will start talking. And kuleso sikole kwakuwese because uthisha was doing this on quite a few children. How crazy. I was just like, boshwa. How? Uyambona principal though. Just let me know, guys, what do you think of a principal? A principal is not funny. He is not okay. Ungambuka uthi man. Principal, all right. Principally, he did the deed. Cabang, sengibeka nje he did the deed. It's not even funny. You principal khohlakele. And then he wants to control everything. Futhi now hayi ingane athumelele incwadi esikole ema-parents nayi sefanele ayeke esikoleni. Hayibo, who are you to decide that? Awuziphethe phela nawe yakhumbula. Yeah, you can't just decide. Khona abantu abaphethe la. The board of the school. There is a lot of people. This is not your school. Hayibo. So nje guys ngifuna ningitshela ukuthi ngicabanga ngani ngale case. Ayive ngekho nje right. Ayive ngekho right. Angihleli nje kahle ngayo. Ngikho nje right. Let's just go back futhi stories of Joseph Maimela lo was unalive ngapha Limpopo ne, and the family they want justice ne, besho zonke izinto. Although the family is not telling us ukuthi babethini again, but you know how it is. Othisha, how nabo they think they know all. Fanele bahlukumeza ingane zethu esikoleni. Kusho ukuthi basemtshela nje the way mhlawumbe ukuthi we please ngekube ilutho ngekube, you understand guys, khona kodwa into enjalo. Who are you wena as teachers nitshela ingane izinto ezikanjalo? Lena ke iWest Eastern Cape, I cannot even. Cabanga lo mfana wabantu waze wenza into ekanje, and ifamily feel ukuthi hayibo ikhona inote le uyibhale mangabe uzohamba. Ngithi angifuni ukuyibeka ngesingisi ngendaba yase-YT. So inote. And good, but nothing, guys, nothing whatsoever. And ungathi noma angithi sister is the one that was talking. Uma umfana is still usahamba ama-psychologist and all of it, some therapist, yabona yonke leyo nto just to help her. But she's not coming right. She's not coming right. Agabi nje right. And you know why futhi also. She's not healing, nothing. Also kusagusha. But she's not healing and all of that. It's because akatholi usizo. Akukho justice. So shisha basafundisa basenza the same thing they were doing to other children. Lebo lento ababeyenza kulo mfana una 20. Bayenza basaqhubeka the same teachers, and two babhalile kabanye on the letter that he left. There's quite a few indlela ebeke ngayo sesakho ukuthi nathi 3 or 4. Not even one teacher. Akekho ukuthi okay guys, asiyekeni lento enganeni. Why thina singakhuzani and do what's right? Ngoba uzele nawe njengoba uthisha usesikoleni ucabanga ukuthi uphethe. Uzele. You can't be treating ingane zabantu kanje. It's crazy. Yeah, guys, nongitshela nani what are your thoughts? It's not nice the case, lama cases. Awekho nje mnandi, like uvela ufeel ukuthi mara why? Ingane isaba nokuya esikoleni. And it's crazy ke how on this one as Eastern Cape kodwa ngizwe sengathi u7-year-old bathi akadankinga usaya esikoleni. I'm like how? Uyabona ukuthi it's not, the dynamics there are not right. Khona into engekho right. Ngeke. I'm just like ngeke. So Mawake Bat is the one who was Eastern Cape who took it to social media and was like, nansi inkinga bo enginayo. nansi indaba umuntu enze ingane kanje. And then nakhona futhi case akhona futhi same as le yase Limpopo, it's in 2024 in October, but akaziwa lutho. Principal nje uyayitanasela uyayiwokhela bathi ukuhlazana bathi udelelana, but it's just like, what are you gonna do? In fact ke lo DNA ngeke ngize ngithathe. Uyabona ukuthi manje sekuzoba kanjani, abantu bamfuna ephila ke lo muntu kanjalo. So uyabona ukuthi izinye izinto ze-end up ingasekho mnandi because people khona nje abanye abantu who are just so entitled in life to a point umuntu ufuna ukwenza noma yini ayithandayo. So nje uyazi ukuhlukunyezwa kwey'ngane. Lento le even is yesterday i-SRC and some children vets, they went to Constitutional Hill bamasha khona. Bathi ngeke yabo nje into ehlangane ney'ngane nomama ngeke. And baze bayasho nabo ukuthi ezinye they are left unattended to, aziriphotwa, abantu bayasaba, or aziriphotwa at all nje. Vele kuphelele emoyeni kuthiwa no, hamba esikoleni you'll be fine. Guys kanjani? Yabona nje lento le kuthiwa ukuhlukumeza abantu everywhere, whether isemsebenzini or isesikoleni, but uyabona ukuthi everywhere. And vele like I'm saying ukuthi kuyasho ukuthi eziningi akukhulunywa. And also the whole thing yokuthi kusemakhaya, it's in the Bunduzi, it's in the plus, it's emafamu, people don't care, ngeke uzungenze next, you'll never get help. Kwakukho right guys, we need to look at those things. That's not right. So ngizoke ngime kancane lapho cases akanjena. I appreciate you guys so much. I thank you for always giving me love and support. Ngithanda over.